In this video we'll be explaining how to do those questions where they give you a calculation which is deliberately incorrect and they ask you to change one digit to a number of their choice so that the calculation is correct. Here's an example. 98 take away 65 equals 32. In reality, this isn't the right answer. So first of all, we are going to find out the right answer. 98 take away 65 equals 33. Now we find the difference between our answer and the answer they provided in the original question. 32 take away 33 equals -1. This means one number needs to be reduced by 1 on the left, or one number needs to be increased by 1 on the right of the equal sign in order for the calculation to be correct. So let's start with the 32 on the right. 32 plus 1 would be 33 and the question would be correct. However, there's no 7 in that, so we can't do that. 65 take away 1 would be 64, which also would make the question correct, but doesn't contain 7, so that's not the right answer either. 98 take away 1 equals 97. So we have replaced one digit with a 7, and the answer there is now correct. 97 take away 65 equals 32. Okay, so once again we're going to find out what the actual answer is. 39 plus 48 plus 50 equals 137. Now we're going to find the difference between our answer and their answer. 167 take away 137 equals 30. So that means one number on the left needs to be increased by 30, or one number on the right of the equal sign needs to be reduced by 30 in order for the answer to be correct. 167 take away 30 is 137. So the only number we've replaced is the 6 with a 3, so we haven't actually replaced any number with a 7. So now let's look at the numbers on the left. 50 plus 30 would be 80, which doesn't have a 7 in it. 39 plus 30 would be 69, which doesn't have a 7 in it. But 48 plus 30 would be 78, which does have a 7 in it. 39 plus 78 plus 50 equals 167. Okay, so this question is slightly different. In order to actually get the right answer in these kind of questions, you need to use trial and error. Okay, so once again we're going to find out what the actual answer is. 734 plus 8 times 26 is 942. If you are attempting this question, remember, according to the rules of BIDMAS, you need to first multiply the contents of the brackets, 8 times 26, before you add on the 734. Okay, so now we're going to find the difference between 950 and 942. The answer is 8. So this means a number on the left needs to be increased by 8, or a number on the right needs to be reduced by 8 in order to get the right answer. Okay, so on the right, if we reduce it by 8, there will be 942. That doesn't have a 7 in it. On the left, if we add 8, that wouldn't be correct either. What you'll notice is that inside the brackets is 8 times a number. So if we add another number onto that, that'll mean there's an extra 8, which is what we're looking for, one more 8. So the answer is 8 times 27, and you'll notice that we've put a 7 in there now, like the question suggested us to do. So as you can see, sometimes the question can be tricky. It's all about trial and error till you actually get the right answer. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.